Hi, this is Wendy Vogel with Science Bits from Kent ISD. This bit is on vocabulary and language development taken from Okhee on November 5th, 2020. We're going to think a little bit about traditional thinking when it comes to language. Very often we thought about language as vocabulary as something that students needed in order to do science. But what if we think about it more in terms of language development? Think about a student going through a typical unit. Very often at the beginning of that unit, there's very less sophisticated conversations, less sophisticated thinking. For instance, in this unit, we have students smelling garbage and saying, ew, it stinks. But over time, students are engaged in discussion, argumentation, reading material, investigations, modeling, and that explanation over time will become more sophisticated. And so will the language needed to explain that phenomenon. So Dr. Oki Lee says, let's think about language as a product of doing science instead of the other way around. In other words, we need that language. And so, therefore, as that language is needed, we introduce it and students are able to use it. So think about how language is developed in the units that you are teaching. This is Science Bits from Kent ISD with a special thanks to Dr. Oki Lee for her research.